Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I always sing this part. So for today I'm gonna recreate a makeup that Lucy, I think his channel is LSG makeup, I'm not sure. I'm gonna include everything in my description. So I'm gonna recreate her makeup look because she's so freaking talented. And yeah, she's super young and she's really good at makeup, and she do like super creative stuff that I never seen before. Before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and don't forget to put the thumbs up if you like this video. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So she first start with her eyebrows, so I'm gonna do the same freaking thing. So in her video she used the Morphe 35M. Can I speak today? So in her video she used the Morphe 35M Bust Mode palette. So the green palette right here. So I love the shade in this palette. She primed her eyes too with some first she used the P. Louise primer, but here we don't have it in Canada, at least if you don't buy it on the website, and I think when you buy it from the website here in Canada it can be a little bit expensive.
Stroke of luck. This is the lightest in this shade to the inner third of my eye just for the moment because I kind of...
So she used this one.
So what I will say about this colour is it's looking very dry on my eye. I don't know if it's to do with the colour or just because I have dry lids at the moment, but it's not often that an eyeshadow colour pick...
Oh, and I didn't say it, but I use my MAC 217 and the Morphe M433. So the MAC, not the MAC, the Morphe one is a dupe for the MAC one. So she used a more tiny brush like this one, and she go into green and V, so the most darker green.
Okay, so I think I'm at a stage where I'm happy with that.
Like she said, to cut her crease, she always use this, and she just cleaned before to cut her crease. So after that she used again her P. Louise, so I'm gonna use again my Anastasia Beverly's primer. So for me, I'm gonna go into my detailed brush by Real Technique because I don't have the Anastasia Beverly's brush.
The line in the middle as crisp as possible. Also, erasing your eyebrows when you do this allows a lot more lid space, so it's much easier to do.
Which shade she used?
It's a tiny little detail brush.
Because my orange doesn't look as pigmented as hers. Yeah, we use the same one.
See what I'm doing. So I'm always...
So she didn't put anything like in the middle of a crease and eyes and lids because she's gonna put some shimmer shades. So I'm gonna do the same thing because I follow her steps. So it's crazy how the orange on her looks way more dark and pigmented than mine. I don't know why. And her crease looks way better than mine. It's just a makeup that if you are on the go and you are very like you need to go off the house, don't do this makeup look because it's a long one. It's something that you need some precision. So I don't know if it's my brush that it doesn't pack as much as her. Maybe it is because I need to really pack this shadow on my lids. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eyes, and I'm gonna clean under my eyes a little bit, so I will be right back. Okay, so now she take bright light, yeah, the orange shade. Right here. And she leave again a little bit space in the middle to put a more lighter shade. And after that she put a Pop Star in the middle, so the greenish shade. Are you like this? Since the quarantine, I just eat so much, like even if I'm always at home. I don't know why, but I'm always eating, and I love to eat like comfort meals, so like pasta, a lot of stuff like this, so I gained almost 10 pounds since 2 weeks, so yeah. Far away it's looking good, but if you go super close of my eyes, you can see a little bit of patchiness. I don't know if it's because of my brush, but I don't have a lot of super precise brush like this, so maybe I need to put money on this. So I'm gonna put a little, not a wing, but a little bit of liner to hide my falsies, and I'm gonna put falsie on, and I will be right back. So I've just done my lashes. I know they are not perfect, but it's gonna be this. So I'm just gonna do my face quickly, and I will be right back for my under eyes. So I finished all my makeup. I only need to do my underline, my underwater line? I don't know. So I'm gonna finish that. So I'm gonna follow again her step. So I just pray that my under eye is gonna look good, because my upper eyes pretty much looks cool. I would say this side looks way better. I'm so stressed about this. So she used a dark green shade, so green with envy. So this one right here, and she blends it with the orange shade that we had already on the lids. So she just, gosh, I'm stressed. Take my flat brush to just do the line, because I'm not as confident as her. Like, her technique is just pure perfection. Like, when she applied something, it just came out so beautiful. Like, I think I just put a little bit my orange a little bit too low. The next time I will need to clean up a little bit more up, I'm gonna say. I just don't know how her the pigment on her looks way more darker than me. She looks like she used a black liner. So I'm just gonna go quickly do my lips, and I will be right back. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. So it was a little bit challenging, let's be honest, and it doesn't came out as beautiful as her, but I'm gonna practice a little bit. It's been a long time since I didn't do a cut crease with a lot of color in it, so yeah, it's been like almost a year. So sorry, my little girl just keep going around me. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you have beautiful time with your family, even if the world doesn't go well right now. And yeah, so I don't have anything else to say besides just be careful with yourself, with your family, and I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.